Hello, hello. We'll be exposing ourselves today in the form of a game, a very high IQ game. Here we go. So, the first truth or lie is I watched an entire cricket match with my earphones on in my math class. The second, I had a fire extinguisher duel in the faculty building. The third is I went to Moothal with Kuldeep Bhaiya.
It's the third.
The first one. No, it's
Dude,
has to be the
I
first.
trust me, I've been in math classes. It's very possible.
Are we ready or are we ready?
My roommate and I rapped alphabet aerobics together at 1.5 times the speed within a week of getting to know each other.
Who's his
Number
roommate?
2. I got locked out of my room in the middle of the day with nothing but my towel on, and then I had to run all the way to the mess in that condition to look for my roommate and get his keys.
So देखो.
Number 3. It was Thursday night, 3 a.m., and I had an 8:30 the next day. So, knowing that I probably wouldn't wake up in time in my room, I just took all my bedding to AC02109 and spent the entire night outside the door.
Guys, third is possible. I have seen him sleeping in the student commons.
No, student comment is a different thing. AC02 is a different thing. But I feel every Ashok.
No.
Like-
Moving back, why were you watching him sleep in the student commons?
Student commons is very comfortable.
Okay, let's go.
Hello. So here I begin. First, I got my first three choices as my three courses in semester one. Trust me, very few people got it. Second, I had breakfast less than 10 times in my entire first year. Third, so I had 8:30s on Fridays and I never missed any of them.
Okay, it's over now.
Okay, so I think she didn't get her courses.
Oh, that's a good guess, Ayush. We appreciate your input.
Is Ayush even in a math class?
I'm pretty sure he took calculus.
Are you sure?
Pretty
He's an
sure.
major.
Yeah, he would have taken calculus, man. I have a
Like-
feeling he was in my calculus class.
It's highly likely that he has taken a math class because either calc or did you say he's an econ,
Yeah. So math for econ, yeah.
math for econ, or an FC, Maya Saran?
Okay. But what if he's just trying to throw us off? Okay, but think about it. The other two are like completely wild. Like having a fire
But no,
extinguisher.
the second one is true because I feel like I remember him. Remember when they were doing like the water thing and then he just ran across the field. Either he ran across the field or he like helped them do something. But I remember someone doing something. Do you guys remember this in the mess lawns when they like made it rain?
Hmm.
You don't remember this?
They made it
remember what
rain on the mess lawns.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
made it rain.
They made it rain on the mess lawns and you weren't there.
No, I was there. I was just watching it rain. I wasn't participating in the rain, but they were like people were helping them out. So I'm pretty sure the second one is true. I'm gonna
Yeah,
say the second one is true.
I think the third one can also be true. Murthal's not that far
Same.
away.
I feel like it's
Also,
too.
it's Ayush.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and it could have
like-
happened in this summer.
Ayush.
It could have happened in the summer.
Yeah, they lock classrooms. Okay.
Don't
yes.
they lock
That is-
classrooms? And plus, like, won't the bhaiya kind of kick him out when he comes to?
Yeah, and also they
Check
remove
in
the
the
chairs
morning.
most of the time, so he would have to sleep on the floor, and he can't take the bed and mattress to the.
Bedding लेकर तो गया. He said.
I think the bed थोड़ी लेकर गया होगा.
Gone to the mess towel. I don't think that's possible. Yeah, same. That seems
And
very.
it's like unlikely level mein, it's like mess wala, and then like just a little bit below it is that
We could have gone
sleeping in the room wala.
room.
One in
Hmm?
a million chance ki you will run in your towel to the mess.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't think there's
I mean,
even 1 in a million chance. I mean, why would
no, unless
somebody?
unless it's smog week, I think nahi hoga. I mean, smog week so you can manage also.
I don't think we have supplementary.
Show his body off.
Bro,
Then
no.
he can go to the swimming
No,
pool.
no,
I
no.
mean,
I'm pretty sure that's not it. Aditi, you look very skeptical. Let's go with the
Just pro.
Traumatized.
Okay, so I just guess is one. I think it's two. I don't know why. I feel like it's two. Because it's such an Ashokan thing to do.
Do you think she?
It's
Do you think she went out of her way to specify the fact that not having breakfast is a big deal?
Are we analyzing her character?
No, I feel like, there's some reverse psychology thing going on. I get where you're coming from.
See, the first one is too tame to be a lie, and the last one is too wild to be a lie. So I'm really confused.
Let's think about this scientifically.
Okay, I have a whiteboard also.
See, he definitely
Fantastic.
could have been watching
Okay,
cricket in class.
but why? Like, he's a nerd. Why would he watch cricket in class?
Because it was a math class.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, I think it's. You know what? I think it's the third one. Maybe he's
Even
just
I
saying.
I really feel like it's.
It's not like
It's one or three. It's one or three for sure.
What if it's two and we're idiots?
yeah.
No, two is
I keep thinking
definitely
about
two.
two. I keep thinking about two.
It's not two, guys. I'm sure it's not. Wait, so hold on. Play three again.
Should duel in the faculty building. The third is I went to Murthal with Kuldeep Bhaiya.
In the first one, he said entire math class, earphones on, and
It was
like
really
multiple details.
So, I want to say third, man. I feel like
See, he went through that very fast. And he didn't give a lot of details.
excellent. So, can you be like some help, please?
I think it's two for some reason.
It's not two.
Two,
Bro, I'm telling you, it's not two.
Fine, three it is. Are we
Three.
settled? Okay,
Three.
cool. Three it is.
Bro, get to the second one.
second. I don't trust the towel situation. Plus,
Same.
it's very difficult. No, you'd have to run down the stairs or you'd have to take the lift. Like, you'd have to go out of that lobby with the security guards watching you.
तीनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब out of the ordinary seems that only.
Dude, imagine standing in a towel in the lift. Everybody's around you. And then he goes to the mess. People are fetching food. And there's this guy.
And I'm imagining why wouldn't the roommate have like the courtesy of saying ki acha I will come till there. Nahi,
No,
why
he
would he
didn't
tell
call,
him
no.
ki
How do you know? Yeah, how do you know if he called him or not? He just showed up out
अरे
of
तो
nowhere.
he just showed up on the mess without even knowing that mess में है भी वो नहीं.
I mean, maybe
What
he
was
knew he
he?
went for lunch. So,
Bro, what if he wasn't in the mess? He was planning to take a full round.
Yeah, he would run
ढाबा
around.
ढाबा भी देख कर आता हूँ. I'll meet कुलदीप भैया also. संदीप भैया से भी मिल के आ
and bro,
जाएंगे.
2-floor mess. So he had to go on ground floor, then the first floor also.
Exactly. That's not practical. No, we're going with
Yeah, I
second.
think the second one.
But like I know for a fact that Aditi goes to Delhi very often because
Yeah,
she's
and I also know that every time I go to Janani's room, she's sleeping. So the 8:30 thing is kind of.
No, but she's
no.
very.
The 8:30 is so like it's something that we would all skip. So if she hasn't gone for it, it's a very obvious. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, you're saying.
I'm pretty sure she has attended all her classes because even I have. So it's not a big deal.
Okay. Good.
No, but like people do that.
Oh, people go to classes. Good that you mentioned. Otherwise, I would have never.
One second. Let's push. Each time he says something dumb, remember?
You know, I'm gonna go with
I
breakfast.
say I'm gonna go with the breakfast too.
She didn't get her courses.
Okay.
I feel like it's the first one. Now that he like so specifically said it that way, I feel like it's the first one.
We'll see.
No, but you know the way she said it's a big deal, like that was kind of like, you know, she's trying to congratulate herself.
Now you're not judging the tone of her yet.
Abhi, I'm still sticking to the second one.
Are you there, Aditi? Are you okay? Aditi?
Hi. So the 8:31 was a lie because I missed one class.
Is it the second one? Is it the second
I
one?
didn't want to.
It's 8:31.
What?
I told
You
you.
such a Ayush.
You're. I'm the real intelligent one. I shouldn't.
You know what? You know what? I'm just disappointed in Aditi Tibrewal. I'm just.
My apologies.
Okay, guys,
this
what do we
sibling-
settle for?
We settled on Murthal with Kuldeep Bhaiya.
Yeah, let's
number
go.
2.
Oh my god, this is going to be true. It's too crazy to be.
Yeah, exactly. I
We
still
still haven't-
debated. We still haven't opened it.
Yeah, we still haven't. We can watch it again.
Bro, I think it's one. Like, the more I think about it, I think it's one.
So Kavya thinks it's 1, Soham thinks it's 2, I think it's 3. Lovely teamwork.
Listen, I can't keep making Zoom meetings, so we have to decide. We can't.
Okay,
keep
okay.
anything.
Wait, so what do you guys think? Like, what do you think it can?
Finger.
Okay, no, wait.
It's not two. I'm telling
I
you.
can't
it's
hear you.
Yeah,
I
I
can't
don't.
hear you.
telling
Yeah.
you it's not two. It's not two.
Yeah, I don't think it's 2 either. I think 2 is true.
Pick a finger.
No, you guys do rock paper scissors now.
No,
Okay.
man, I don't want to be wrong.
It's okay, it's fine. This is literally just because the both of us can't decide between 1 and 3.
Okay, fine.
Okay, you're 3, I'm 1. Okay?
Okay.
Rock,
Rock,
paper,
paper,
scissors.
scissors.
Get it because he's rock.
Put scissors, so you win. It's 3.
Damn, it's going to be wrong. We can feel it.
I can't. So turn on the volume, we can't hear him.
He's paused it, man. Come
I
on,
paused
Soham.
it because, like,
Dude, the
Oh, we
suspense is
didn't check.
killing me.
So what is the lie, you ask? Well, I did not go to Murthal with Kuldeep Bhaiya.
But I didn't hear.
He didn't go to Murthal.
So, the second is the lie. I never on my phone.
You made it too easy, Soham.
Yeah, I've never been locked out.
That's true.
Okay, that is true.
No, but I have a question.
What?
He said he never leaves the room without key and phone.
Yeah.
So when he takes a bath, where is the